what DJ Whistle, aka the Man of the Hour, the Man of the Power, coming at you again. What's up for today? It's fucking pissing down again, man. It's absolutely fucking pissing down. And Oscar's outside eating a bone or some shit. I don't know what he's doing out there. Penny's up there. I don't know. Can you see Penny? She's just like... she's there somewhere. There she is. So, I mean, it's pissing down. Absolutely pissing down. I'm not sure what the fuck to do, to be honest. I'm gonna just probably hope and pray to God that we can do something today. Maybe we'll go to a couple of little spots, me and Harry, when he wakes up. It's only like 9 AM, so Harry's not gonna be awake. But I mean, we're gonna try and do something today because I don't want to be bored. Otherwise, the vlogs will be boring again. Why is my lens like seems off center to me? I don't know. But yeah, nonetheless. As you guys can see, the couch has moved over to there. So, I mean, yeah. We're just waiting for fucking the boys to get up and then we'll go and do some shit. I don't know what the fuck we're
guys, we're going to
Frankston. Me, Harry, are going to McDonald's to get some McDonald's breakfast. And then we're gonna see if my phone screen can get fixed because anytime it rains, I literally can't play PokemonGO. It's just fucked. I think the touchpad's broken. But apart from that, that's all we're doing. We're gonna play some PokemonGO and do. I swear to God, I get called at these train tracks every fucking time, eh? Like, it's literally me on the joke right now.
First is there, I'm like, oh, it'd be easier for him to get in there, so I'm like, no.
Fucking Harry sent me a car park. I'm gonna go into Ted to have a look at cameras because I want to see if there's new cameras out. And I want to look at the G7X because the G7X is fucking money. Mega Revolution we're talking about.
It's not called Ash anymore, it's called Red.
Is it?
Yeah, and he's trying to catch Mewtwo. He finds him in a cave. And he like smashes, Mewtwo kicks the fuck out of him. And so he pulls Charizard and he Pokemon's left. And like Charizard's trying to beat him, couldn't do it. And then they go on this world and he turns to Mega Charizard and kicks the fuck out of Mewtwo and he catches Mewtwo.
Bullshit! I can't wait for that episode. That's gonna be sick. Dude, check out all these hats.
500 episodes down the track, so you got one.
Yeah, we got ages. Check out this shit. Nah, we're all good. I'm just recording. I film vlogs.
Hey man. You film what?
I do vlogs on YouTube.
Video logs. For
just random shit.
Just random stuff. Cool. What's your channel, dude?
Wilson Games.
Nice man. I'll sub.
Alright, awesome, dude. Legend right here.
What's up, dude?
This is actually the best store. I actually bought this hat here.
Nice man. Freaking I love this store.
I know. It's honestly my favourite store.
Yeah.
Even the 6 stocks.
Yeah man. I'm trying to find an easy way of becoming good.
It's the way we do it these days. Huh? Because it's just daily things we do. Daily life.
You get people watching.
Yeah, I know, right?
What'd she say?
She's like, what do you do? I was like, daily life videos. They're actually so sick. Wait, check these out.
Channel logo look like that?
I know, no, Wilson Games. So, Games with 2S. There you go.
Is there a space in it, man? Or?
Oh no, 1L, 1L.
1L, yeah.
1L. Dude, look at the bottom, Harry, look at the bottom of those. That's it there. Thanks man, love ya. The legend right there.
No worries. I have a YouTube channel too, but I don't upload anything.
Oh really?
Yeah.
What did you used to do?
I used to do anime reviews.
Oh really?
Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
They're like 2-hour-long videos.
Yeah. We do Pokemon like all the time.
Pokemon Go.
So we're doing, yeah.
What's it?
I'm red, he's red.
I got a red account, I've got Mystic though.
You're Mystic? Yeah. I got a Mystic.
I've got both, but I'm higher on Mystic. Yeah. Very good. When's the vlog coming out, man?
I upload every day, so it'll come out probably like 12 o'clock tonight.
Yeah, easy. I'll
so,
watch.
Yeah, it's good. It'll be fun. I'll edit it all and you'll be in there. Boys, we need this.
I'll give you 2% of my payments.
Look at this. This is so much more expensive than America.
What?
So much more expensive than America.
Is it?
Yeah, it'd be like 2,200 in America.
Let's go there.
Dude, you can't bring them back here, they blow up. Because we got heavier power outlets. Their wattage is like 60 and ours is 120 or something. Ours is double theirs. Here we go, where'd you put a dip? Fucking in the pot plant cut.
Inside the shopping centre.
Inside the shopping centre in the pot plant. I don't even care, but it's whatever. Let's be honest. What? I am, dude. I'm a fucking G. I don't even care too. So we had like an issue with my phone screen because it wouldn't work. And I got it replaced for free because it was under warranty. And now I'm just catching fucking Pokestops because I need a Bellsprout spawn, and I really need a Bellsprout now because I evolved my Bellsprout to a Weeping Bell. So I don't have any more Bellsprout in my collection. Didn't fucking spawn for me. He legged it on me. But he's still on my radar.
No, I got another one.
Oh, do you? He might be down here. Hopefully I get this Bellsprout because I really need it. And this wind's fucking killer. Killer right now for this wind, but pretty bad for filming, but I don't care. Hopefully you guys can hear this shit or I'll Alright, so we're done with Frankston. Finally, my head is so sore. Look at that fucking lump. Because I didn't want to lose my hat at the pier. I gotta fucking add my hat like super tight. But now we're going to Frankston and not Frankston, we're going to my house to watch more PokemonGO episodes, Pokemon episodes, Indigo League, and then yeah, that'll be fun. It'll be fucking good fun. So, Alright, so Harry literally just had a car accident. I'm not even joking. I was driving through, Harry for some reason just like he didn't stop, and yeah, that's Harry's car. That's what just happened to Harry's car. So Harry's in a little bit of pain now. So Harry's got to cover insurance and stuff like that. These two are a little shaken up. Stuff like that. That's the other car. So we figured out a con for crashing your car doesn't lock anymore. Fuck! This is bullshit. What was your excess? 1850? 1850 for insurance. That's still... Hey, at least you get a bigger car.
Bigger car. Get that car.
The fucking rig's dead, Harry.
It didn't even live long.
0 fucking Snorlaxes. Literally 0. Nothing. Not even a radar pop. Nada. Harry's not very impressed.
Can't even look at me.
He's had a rough day already. We go to Chelsea, no Snorlax. So now we're going home to watch more PokemonGO. Pokemon. Yeah, just standard Pokemon. Because Ash needs to win the Indigo League. Alright guys. So, remember how Harry had a car accident?
What are you talking about?
And there's a 100 mil gap in it, in the door, right? So, Harry didn't realise that the gap in the door would turn his fucking light on in the car. So now he can't even drive the car because he's got a flat battery. You've had a day, haven't you?
It's bullshit.
Do you want to rate your day out of 10 for me?
It would have to be close to it.
So we're just waiting for them to load. You're gonna get the Pokemon Goers up to date with the newest and latest update of Pokemon Go.
You can have a little friend stand next to you.
Harry's got a little Diglett.
He's called your little buddy.
And you can walk with him. And if you walk a certain amount of kilometres, you get a candy. For those people that don't catch Pokemon that are the rare Pokemon that they rarely catch, it's an easy way of getting candy for them. If I get 3 candy, I get me a Dig Trio.
Doug Trio.
Is it Doug Trio or Dig Trio?
Fuck, something like that. I can't even remember these days.
Doug Trio.
Doug Trio, that's it, so Doug Trio. Whatever.
Anyway, it's the 3 Diglets.
Yeah, the 3 Diglett peoples. But no, the update came out today, we didn't even know, and then his brother told us, but we read up on it, and so the longer you have your buddy, the more candy you get for your buddy. So say you have a Farfetch'd, and you got him overseas, make him your buddy like I've done. I got my Farfetch'd overseas, so I've put him as my buddy as I can't get him anymore. So I get all the candy for him, and then I'll do my Mr. Mime, and then I'll do my Taurus to get them all as max levels they can. And yeah, so make sure you get a buddy of your choice. Like his brother has Pikachu because he needs 1 more Pikachu candy to get a Raichu, so he's going to do that. And yeah, it's gonna be fucking awesome, I honestly think. And yeah. Kyle's here, guys.
Did you know James from Team Rocket?
Buenas noches, motherfuckers.
We're going to Mornington Care, people. And we're going to get Lapras.
No.
No. Wait, Jack. Lapras today?
Sit in my car and I'll probably fucking keep up with it, hopefully.
Hola.
Jack is brought his Ferrari.
Buenas noches.
Oh, someone's taking it now.
We're out here at Mornington. We're on the Pokemon grind. Harry, in his natural habitat, is just grinding Pokey. I'm all alone. There's no one here beside me. I'm fucking honestly being ditched by everybody. I'm sitting in the back of a Golf, trying to get myself a Golding. They all don't care about me. That's alright. It's fine. I'm the better Pokemon trainer. Alright guys, I'm making it pretty short and sweet for this ending. I'm fucking wrecked. Harry's wrecked. Harry's still a little shaken up, I think. Jack's also wrecked and Kyle's wrecked. Kyle's got work tomorrow on ship, so that's pretty much it for the day. I mean, it was pretty good, pretty eventful. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the videos. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And it's been your boy Wilson. Hope you guys enjoyed, and peace!